Welcome to Dealmakers Den. Today we're diving into one of the most explosive shifts in modern business, humanoid robotics. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Humanoid robots are no longer just prototypes. They're operational, adaptable, and already transforming real industries. In manufacturing, humanoid robots are replacing the need for static machines and complex infrastructure. These bots can be dropped into existing workflows, no retooling required. They walk, they lift, they weld, they build. Think labor force without turnover. Precision isn't limited to factories. These machines are entering high-value, low-tolerance fields like custom assembly, fine motor tasks, even the arts. Yes, robots are painting, and those pieces are already selling. In warehousing and logistics, humanoids navigate dynamic, cluttered spaces. That means no need for fixed paths or specialized storage systems. One robot can do what used to take a team and a conveyor belt. For deal makers, the opportunity is clear. Automation you can scale without rebuilding your operation. Want to cut costs in logistics? Replace $15 an hour labor with 24/7 intelligent robotics. Want to innovate your customer experience? Deploy humanoid receptionists or in-store assistants that never call in sick. Healthcare, hospitality, construction, even education. Humanoids are stepping in, not just to serve, but to perform. They're trainable, programmable, and increasingly autonomous. Here's the kicker. The cost curve is dropping. The companies building these bots are moving fast, and capital is flowing in. This is your window. Humanoid robotics isn't just the future of work. It's the next frontier in scalability, efficiency, and profit. And deal makers, it's ready for you now.